Before you go to extremes like injectables, let's talk about castor oil and the quiet magic it can work on your face. Often called nature's own Botox, this ancient elixir has truly stood the test of time. Used by Egyptians, Romans, and healers from many civilizations, castor oil was treasured for its powerful, almost mystical healing properties. Now, you may have heard about ricin, a natural toxin found in castor beans. Yes, it's thousands of times more poisonous than cyanide or snake venom. But here's the twist. The toxin is completely removed during the oil's extraction process. What's left behind is pure, nourishing gold for your skin and hair. Let's dive into its wonders. Castor oil gives the skin a luminous, firm, and supple glow. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, deeper wrinkles, or dry, tired skin, this oil might just become your nightly ritual. Its secret weapon, ricinoleic acid. This deeply moisturizing compound traps hydration like a protective veil, keeping your skin soft and dewy. Apply it at night, and by morning, you may find yourself glowing just a bit brighter, hair feeling dry or damaged, split ends haunting you. A touch of castor oil massaged into the scalp or run through the strands can transform dullness into silk. It's not only a deep hydrator, it's also rich in anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Inflamed skin, meet your soothing match. Your skin is home to an invisible world of friendly microbes that help guard against invaders. When that balance tips, hello acne, yeast, or fungal flare-ups, castor oil steps in as a natural protector. It even targets bacteria that contribute to breakouts. The oil is also blessed with vitamin E, which shields the skin from harsh environmental forces like UV rays and pollution. It aids in healing wounds, fading dark spots, and evening out the complexion. There's beta-carotene, a vitamin A precursor, magnesium, and potassium too, all of which feed your skin from the outside in. And here's something truly beautiful. Castor oil may help stimulate collagen production, that magical scaffolding beneath our skin that keeps us youthful. Scars, stretch marks, and old acne marks. Massage a few drops in for about 30 seconds daily and let the oil do its quiet work. Its anti-inflammatory power is said to rival even ibuprofen. Some folks blend it with lighter oils, coconut, olive, or other, while others go straight and undiluted. It is thick, yes, a bit sticky even, but potent. A few drops on your fingertips massaged into areas of dryness or irritation is all it takes. 3 cents a day for a face that feels enchanted. Sounds like a bargain. Apply before sleep and let it soak in as you dream. But a word of caution. Avoid using it around the abdomen or pelvic area if you're pregnant and not yet ready for labor. It can nudge the body into action. Some women use it as a makeup remover, blending it with lotions for a gentle, nourishing cleanse that leaves behind a trace of softness and glow. For hair, especially if thinning or hair loss is a concern, massage it into the scalp with intention. Let it soak in overnight and you'll wake up to hair that feels revived. Want longer lashes? Just rub a tiny bit into the roots each evening and watch them bloom. When choosing your oil, go for cold-pressed, hexane-free organic castor oil. Many swear by Jamaican black castor oil for its rich texture and enhanced benefits. Whatever version you choose, make sure it's pure, free from solvents like hexane, often found in processed oils. As for that old worry about toxins, rest easy. Ricin is thoroughly removed during production, and castor oil is tested to ensure safety. It's quite the paradox. A substance born of poison becomes one of the gentlest remedies for beauty and healing. Nature really does hold secrets worth rediscovering. Let us know in the comments if you've had any success using castor oil or any tips you have. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.